Order, order. Are you wondering, I've changed my profession from a designer to a lawyer? Well, no. I am here because we've recently designed a lawyer's office in Sector 10 Chandigarh from the team of Gurjot Chand Designs. Welcome to our 400 square feet lawyer office. We'll show you the glimpses of this office space and our achievement to complete it within 21 days. This office space was challenging as a task, whether it was space, budget, or the number of days that we had to accomplish it. We started with understanding the client's requirement. The client's requirement was to have 4 people sitting outside in the workstation zone and 2 directors in the director office. They required the feel of spaciousness in the small space. There were a lot of constraints of wall, leveling, then ceiling was quite disrupted. Apart from that, the color theme and the requirement being advocates, they had huge requirement of storage. They required ample storage. So we tried to create these storage spaces which could look modern yet less claustrophobic. We've tried to avoid handles on these storages. We've tried to make it simple and easy to access. It's very lightweight, so nothing to worry about. The drawers are very spacious. So these are the few things that we kept in mind. We kept the theme of greige, white, beige, natural teak look with some softboard effect in a muted grey or a subdued grey. So that's what we did. If you see this side of the wall, this was very disrupted, very disorganized. The finish was really sad. It had so much of disruption that we were so worried when we saw it for the first time. But then eventually, this is like a small pantry unit that we've tried to manage in small space. There's air conditioner, there's some light, good planter to make it feel bigger and spacious and greener and sustainable. And then this is the Munshi table. So the Munshi table has a good chair, a computer chair, and a good level of storage for his files for everyday work. So we are now ready to welcome our client, Advocate Ricky Bansal and Advocate Goyal, Rajinder Goyal ji, with his family to this office, and let's see how they like it. Hello ji, congratulations for you to enter.
Thank you, same day. Wow. So beautiful.
Thank you. Oh no, to you. Really, thank you so much. Thank you. You entrusted in us, and that's the best thing. Thank you. Thank you so much, ji. Thank you. Thanks for trusting in.
Giving very good ambience and all that.
Great. So I hope we've achieved what you wanted. Yes. Great.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Let's clap
Wow.
for you.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, Ranveer. Thank you. That's so satisfying to hear at the end of the project. So
Because you did well.
thank you.
And you have good eye.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
The thing is, they have given the project to us within the limited time whatsoever they have committed. They have
Great.
completed all kind of promises as well as given
Thank you. 21 days. Today is the 21st day. So
And
Shaganwala.
And a very good look of interiors.
Thank you so much. I hope you.
वीर जी के मैम के बड़े अच्छे यहाँ पे इन्होंने खुद यहाँ पे अपना टाइम स्पेंड किया आपने, तो हम उसके लिए भी आपका बड़ा
Thank you so much.
पर्सनली आपने इस चीज को वॉच किया। Really, it's a nice.
We
And
wish.
the logos you have put.
Okay.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Thank you
would
so
say.
much.
Yeah.
Just so that somebody comes very subtly, they get to know, okay, oh, this is a lawyer's office. Yeah.
Yeah.
God bless you. I hope you
And,
enjoy.
The prayer you have put up is excellent.
I will glad. Ji. I think this will motivate and keep the clients and you in positive zone. Oh, thank you. Hug in the camera. Thank you.
Thank Gurjot Shan. The way I wanted my office to be set up, the interiors, she has done excellent job. And virtually what I wanted in my office as a lawyer's office, it was that when the client comes, he should feel like that he is not in a big office or something like that, but he should feel satisfied that he has come in a very good office. And the ambience which the client wants should be gathered from the office, and he should like the office. And I would thank again Gurjot Shan that what she has done is an excellent job within a time limit frame, and the ambience and the interiors of a lawyer's office which I wanted, I am fully satisfied with her work. Thank you.
Sir, I would like to mention is that the project which we have handed over to them, we first time met them on 14th of February, and we have freezed everything in the evening of 14th of February. They have started their project on 16th of February, and now today it's almost 6th March. Within a framework, within a limited time period, they have done their excellent job. I would definitely recommend to Gurjot Shan ma'am and their team. I will really appreciate their efforts which they have put, and their taste is really so high, so good, and according to our thinking, what we want, they have acknowledged such things here. Definitely I will at the last say that the all credit goes to Madam Gurjot Shan and their team members. We are really thankful, and now we can say that we have full faith upon you. We can recommend you at any time. We hope and we wish that like this project, you will fulfill all kind of things whatsoever we will recommend to other clients, and our best wishes are to Ma'am Gurjot Shan and their team members. Thank you.
And I would like to add one more thing.
Yes.
That when we were thinking of making this office, we were scrolling on the internet as to whom we should give the project. And the first I was scrolling, I got one Gurjot Shan, and she was standing, she had built some office or made interiors of some office. It was so appealing to me that I immediately decided, me and Ricky and my wife, we immediately decided that we should call her. And I immediately called Mr. Ranbir of Gurjot Shan team. He picked up the phone, we fixed the meeting, and the first meeting was also fruitful. They were positive. One thing I always wanted in my office and in my life is positivity. When we first met the team, the first thing which I noticed is positivity. And this positivity has come in my office also. And the ambience of this office shows the positiveness. And once there is a positiveness, everything is achieved in life. I applaud Madam Gurjot Shan, and I wish her best of luck in the life. She may progress and she achieve all the things in her life. This is all. Thank you very much. And one more thing I would like to add to all what I have said is, yesterday when we came and the office was at the setup stage, my wife Reena, she had shown some videos to my daughter who is in Canada. She is doing law, and the first expression of my daughter was excellent. This is what the office should be. This is her name is Nishtha Goyal, and she is I would say she had full praise for you, that she liked the first impression was excellent. This is all. Thank you.
It's wonderful.
All the best to you.
Thank you so much.
And thank you very much for giving me such a beautiful seat where I would love to sit and love to work hard for my clients.
Great. I'm glad.
Yeah.
And
Thank
you
you.
come and pop in for tea and coffee.
Yeah, definitely. You are always welcome in the office. Not as a client. Always you are welcome. You are a family now.
Great. Lovely.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you so
you.
much.
Thank